For choosing between NameHero and HostGator in 2025, here's a quick breakdown to help you decide. Performance. NameHero utilizes Lightspeed servers and NVMe SSD storage, delivering faster load times and better scalability. HostGator, while reliable, uses traditional Apache servers, which may not match NameHero speed. Features. NameHero offers free SSL certificates, automatic daily backups, and integrated Lightspeed caching across all plans. HostGator provides similar features but often reserves advanced options for higher tier plans. Support. Both companies offer 24/7 support. However, NameHero is praised for its responsive and personalized customer service, while HostGator's support has received mixed reviews. Pricing. NameHero's plans are competitively priced, offering robust features even at entry-level tiers. HostGator's pricing is also competitive, but may require additional purchases for certain features. Reseller hosting. NameHero stands out with its reseller hosting, providing WHMCS billing software, white label branding, and Lightspeed servers. HostGator offers reseller plans but lacks some of these integrated tools. In summary, if speed, advanced features, and top-notch support are your priorities, NameHero is a strong choice. If you're looking for a well-known provider with a broad range of services, HostGator remains a viable option. If this comparison helped you, give the video a like, subscribe for more hosting insights, and drop a comment with any questions you have.